Have you been thinking about how you can see the person who liked your playlist on Spotify? Then in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you the truth about these and also give you a likely method or a likely solution which you can use to see the person who liked your playlist on Spotify. Stick with me because I'll be right back. All right, welcome back, friend. Now, if you're thinking about exactly how you can, see the person who like your playlist on Spotify, that is what I'm going to be revealing to you. My name is Maverick from Online with Maverick, and this is exactly what I do in this channel. I talk about how-tos and also give you a little bit of some hints on free deals and all those things. So if that is what interests you, then kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop new tutorials like this. Now, here is the question. Are you thinking about, you seeing the person who, like your playlist? Then if that is exactly what you're looking for, then I'm sorry, but it is Impossicant. Okay, now that's just kind of funny though, but what I'm actually trying to tell you is that it's a no-no. Like, you cannot see the person who liked your playlist on Spotify. Like, you cannot see the exact person. The only thing you'll be able to see is the numbers count. Okay, so let's say maybe 5% liked your playlist on Spotify, you will be able to see it. Okay, and the way you can do that, although this my account is just like a fresh account, I just use Spotify once at a time. So I'm just gonna show you. You just click on your library right here. Okay, your library, then you head over to just your playlist. You can see here right here. I don't have much playlist though, but I'm sure that you have a lot. And right here you'll be able, like, under these this jazz, okay, you'll be able to see the likes. Okay, you can see although you can see, you'll be able to see the likes and the numbers of people who liked your playlist. Okay, so you're gonna see the details right here, like right here. Okay, so you're gonna see the details around here. So now if you are thinking about, okay, how can you solve this particular issue, then my best bet is just that you just stick with me, don't bounce from this video. Okay, because I know what you need exactly is you being able to see the person who liked your playlist. Now if you're to keep looking for solutions and keep checking other videos out there, then you're just gonna be getting clickbait. Okay, because I myself, I've tried as much as possible. I've gone on research, done everything possible, but I was not just like, there was no solution. Now the thing about this is that this particular feature of seeing the person who liked your playlist, like seeing the exact person, was available before 2013. Okay, so Spotify had that feature that you'll be able to see the person who liked your playlist, just like maybe you see your Facebook likes, okay, on Facebook, or it's just like that before. But in 2013 they had to just pause or stop that feature. So since 2013 till the time that I'm recording this video, now, then I don't know, maybe tomorrow Spotify might okay, they might bring out that feature again to be able to see it. But as at the time of recording this video now, since 2013, as at today, I mean till this time, the feature has been disabled. Okay, so you will not be able to see exactly the person who like your playlist. The only thing you will be able to see is the numbers counts, like the number of people who like your playlist. Now the method that you can use, the likely method you can use to try to just get the person who liked your playlist is by checking your followers. Okay, so now followers, you can see the person who follows you. Okay, so now you can easily just, let me just go to home. So I'm gonna tap on settings. Okay, settings right there at the top. You can see this settings icon at the top right corner. So right there, just tap on settings and tap on your name. Okay, the view profile, tap on that, and right there you see I'm sorry, I don't have much I don't have followers. Okay, actually this account is just like a dummy account I just created for this. Okay, my other Spotify account, I don't just use that. All right, so but if you have followers, you'll be able to see your followers right here. Okay, so with this you can also be able to see the person who follows you. I mean who liked. It's just a likely method. Okay, it's just a likely method of seeing the person that liked your playlist, but it doesn't really guarantee that the person liked your playlist. Some people can just follow you, maybe they just saw your song and they just decide to follow you. Okay, so this is just how this works. All right, so it's just a likely method, but if you're the kind of person that this is just a dummy account that I created, so you'll be able to see your followers count and the numbers of followings that you have here. Okay, but because it's a dummy account, that is why it's not visible here. Okay, so I just want you to know that. But just like I said, there is no way that you can be able to see the people, the person, or the exact people who like your playlist. You will only be able to see the numbers. All right, so that is just about this. Okay, and I hope this video has been very helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button below, so that YouTube can also recommend this video to several other people. And also, if you're the kind of person that likes wallpaper, then if you check the link in the video description, I have some free mobile wallpaper that I created myself, and also with some premium and pro Canva templates that I used to create all this wallpaper. So if you like a wallpaper, then just click the link in the video description. It's gonna take you straight to where you can download it. It is free and you're not paying a dime for these wallpapers. All right, so it's free, you can use them, and it's free to use. Okay, it's non-copyrighted. All right, so you can use them to beautify your phone and also enjoy more simplicity, and enjoy the view of your phone. Thank you very much for your time, my friend, and please make sure that you hit the thumbs up button so that other people can also be able to see this in their suggested post. Thank you very much, and peace. I'll see you in some other video tutorials. Bye.